Hello, Sammy here.
Wait.
Okay, yeah, this is Sammy. Sammy here. So today we are unboxing the Roborock's first wet and dry cleaner. It's called Wash Stick. Wash Stick. We have some highlights here. Sammy, can you read it?
Yeah, we have vacuum and wash at once, edge-to-edge rollers. We have multi-roller power and
Agile. Oh,
agile brush head.
brush your head. Okay, that's.
And we have mirror here. So we will try to clean the teeth.
Say hello, mirror. Okay, that's it, right? We have the charging dock, stapler.
We have pets. Not included in the box.
Yeah. Stick. Brush. Of course, the manual. Yeah, and this main body is heavy.
Oh, there are